the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and more. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.